Hi everyone, welcome back to our magical life. Today we will be seeing part 14 of this workshop, that is Dr. Joe Dispenza's meditation for abundance. This is based on Dr. Joe Dispenza's online course, The Formula. Let us begin the meditation. Sit straight, keeping your spine erect. Gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in and exhale slowly. Again, inhale and exhale. Letting your body soften. Relax your face. Relax your shoulders. Relax your chest. Relax your stomach. Relax your legs. Relax your complete body. Relax all the muscles in your body. The shoulder muscles, all the muscles in your face, especially your jaw muscles. Relax it. Now, bring your awareness into your body, your beautiful body. Feel the weight of your body. Feel where you are sitting. Let go of the day. Let go of your thoughts and let go of the efforts. Just be here. Now begin to notice the space behind you. Don't try to see it, just sense it. There is space behind your body. Now, become aware of the space in front of you and the space on both sides of you and the space above you and below you. Now, feel that you are surrounded by space all around you. The endless, open, silent space. Let your awareness expand into that space. Now, gently bring your attention away from your body into the space around you. Feel less of your body and more of the space, less of you and more of the vastness around you. Now ask yourself silently, who am I without my body? Who am I without my name? Who am I without my past experiences. Who am I without my problems? Let the questions dissolve into silence. No need to answer. Just feel. No body, no one, no thing, nowhere, only the awareness, only the presence within you. Rest in this awareness. Beyond your body, beyond your physical identity, as if you are floating in the infinite space around you, the timeless, the boundless space. There is nothing to do, nowhere to go, just awareness. You, the awareness, just the being. You, the being. Now, within this vast space, within the consciousness, within the pure consciousness, begin to sense a subtle energy, the energy of abundance. You can see it with a frequency tag of capital letter A in golden color. Don't think about it. Feel it. If you live, or if your life were already working beautifully abundant, how would you feel? Would you feel grateful? Yes, isn't it? Would you feel free? Complete freedom? Yes, isn't it? Would you feel secure? Yes. Would you feel open? Yes. Choose that feeling now and begin to allow it. Allow it to grow within you. Let it gently rise within you. You can intensify that feeling by being grateful for your fulfilled desire of abundance. Now, do it now. Intensify your feeling. Feel it spreading through your chest. Feel it spreading through your complete body and into the space around you. Feel more of the feeling, abundant feeling. Less of you, less of your body. You are now completely this awareness with this feeling of abundance. Keep this feeling strong. Keep this feeling strong and strong and strong. Allow it to grow even more, even more. Now, bring your attention to your heart center, the center of your chest. Gently breathe in through your heart center. Inhale through your heart and exhale slowly. Again inhale through your heart and exhale through your heart center. Relax. Relax completely. Feel the warmth within you. Feel the warmth within your heart center. Feel the expansion within your heart center. Feel the energy building in your heart center. Feel it now. Now allow the feelings of abundance to live in your heart. Feel it completely. Feel the abundance feeling. Let your heart become full of that feeling of abundance. Now, your heart is radiant now. Your heart is alive now. Now, imagine that this feeling is your future, already happening now. You are not waiting for that to happen. It's happening right now, right here now. Feel that. It's like to already be there. Feel the emotion of abundance as if it is already happening to you now. Let your heart broadcast this feeling of abundance all around, into the space all around you. You are not chasing the abundance. You are becoming it right now. Let the feeling surround you. Let the feeling be within you, and let the feeling all around you. Stay with the feeling as long as you can. The feeling of being abundant. It is so blissful, isn't it? Stay connected with it. Let it stabilize in you. Let it become your natural state. This is your new state of being, your new identity. The longer you feel this, the more familiar it becomes to you, the more real it becomes. Remember this feeling. Know it and anchor it by snipping your finger right now. And this can be your anchor for abundance. Once again, remember the feeling. Know it and anchor it by snipping your finger right now. And this can be your anchor for abundance. This is your new state of being, the abundant you. Now, gently begin to bring your awareness back to your body, back to your breath. back to the room around you. But don't lose the feeling of abundance which you embodied. Retain it as long as possible. This is your new state of being. Retain it. Keep it alive in your heart. Use the anger when you want to intensify the feelings of abundance. Feel your body again. Feel where you are sitting. Take a slow, deep breath in and exhale. Once again, deep breath in and exhale slowly. When you are ready, gently open your eyes and return. And this is your new version of yourself, the abundant you. Thank you.